Take a deep breath in and slowly let it out. Let this moment be your reset, your fresh start, your space to prepare for the week ahead with confidence and calm. Your job search may have its ups and downs, but right now, all you need to do is breathe. Inhale possibility. Exhale doubt. Feel your body soften as you release the pressure you've been carrying. Release the stress of unanswered emails, the waiting, the rejections, the overthinking. This moment is for you. This moment is where your confidence begins to rebuild. Say quietly in your mind, I am capable. I am qualified. I am ready for new opportunities. Imagine waking up tomorrow with clear focus and steady energy. Picture yourself opening your laptop, applying with intention, speaking with confidence, showing up as the strongest version of yourself. Feel how grounded and powerful that version of you is. Now bring your attention to your breath. Each inhale fills you with courage. Each exhale clears away fear. You can feel your confidence rising, gently but surely, like a quiet strength settling into your chest. Remind yourself, I am not behind. I am not stuck. I am building something meaningful. This week, you will speak with clarity. You will apply with purpose. You will show up knowing that the right opportunity is already moving toward you. You don't have to chase what belongs to you. Your job is simply to stay open, grounded, and confident. Take another slow breath in and let go of any lingering doubt as you breathe out. You are walking into this week with a stronger mindset, a clearer path, and a renewed belief in yourself. Repeat softly, I trust my journey. I trust my timing. I trust myself. Now imagine yourself receiving good news, an email, a message, a call that aligns with your hopes. Feel the warmth of that moment. Feel the relief, the excitement, the confirmation that your effort is guiding you toward the right path. Let that feeling sink in. If fear tries to rise this week, return to your breath. Your breath is your anchor. Your breath is the reminder that you are in control of your response, your focus, and your energy. You are building resilience through every moment of calm you choose. Think about one goal for the week, just one. Not the entire job search, not your whole future, just one step. Hold it gently in your mind. See yourself completing it with confidence and ease. Small steps still move you forward. Know that you are not competing for your worth. You are simply matching with the right opportunity at the right time. There is no need for a rush, panic, or comparison. Your path is unfolding in its own rhythm, and you are learning, growing, and strengthening along the way. As you prepare to end this meditation, feel the confidence you've built settle into your body. Carry it with you into the week. Let it guide your decisions, your conversations, and your energy. Take one last deep breath and exhale fully. You are ready. You are capable. You are enough.